Today is the day. Now is the time. You're journeying with the Island Boy. Let's go now. Yeah. It's the Island Boy. Give thanks for your loving. You are the realest girl. Even without money, you're enjoying my world.
Yeah. Cooler man. Shit.
Out there.
Broke your ducks.
Out there. Out there.
A long time I don't see them now. Mothers. Come on.
Yeah, man.
Nice little mudfish.
Line up fire, you know.
Yeah.
Breadfruit them. Now we have chicken, curry chicken, and that we have a deal with.
Yeah.
And I will lift up my eyes unto the hills, from whence cometh my help. My help cometh from the Lord who has made heaven and earth. He will not suffer thy foot to be moved. He that keepeth thee will not slumber. Behold, he that keepeth thy word shall neither slumber nor sleep. The Lord is thy keeper, the Lord is thy shade upon thy right hand. The sun shall not smite thee by day, nor the moon by night. The Lord shall preserve thee from all evil. The Lord shall preserve thy going out and thy coming in from this time forth and forevermore. Oh dear now. Wow.
Unto thee do I lift up my eyes. You delivered my soul in my distress. You heard my cry. Show me I know not the way. Hey, please show me I know not the way. Hey, I'm about my blessings in life. No, I won't be ungrateful no time. Don't have everything in life I want, but my sun still shines. My sun still shines.
Have a breadfruit them on fire, roast right away. Yeah. My shit the sharp bro. Yeah people. So I brush them ready I know, you know. Fully roast. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. It's hot. Yeah, the roast.
So you know say I had chicken next. Some curry. You know it's something go.
Down the hall, come more steam.
Good old brush will make you coward. You Jamaican style. Yeah, this style, you know? So we do it on the Riverside, Rio Grande. So these are the cup and plate. Never see that style yet. Something new. Yeah. Yeah.
Warrior style.
Yeah. When you don't have nothing else, you have to make something out of nothing. Cups, plates. Mad thing.
And a big star never have come to me, say. You know what? Maybe what you know? You know them car, you know?
What shot say? Time for go back in the water, you get me? Yeah. It's a vibe right now.
There's a guy was the float. You? I'm gonna kick your foot there. Lighten up your body. Alright? Can't float, man. Hurry up.
When I look at where I'm coming from, I know I'm blessed, and I close my eyes and smile. Sometimes I feel like the richest man in Babylon, and I've done my best, so everything's alright.
She man a struggle. But struggle, you know.
Where see how the float? You put video the whole time.
It's about after 4 in the evening now. People on the river are rafting at the moment. Look, looking like some Chinese.
Which my line there?
See there over there.
Line there, I walk, I carry line.
Over there, yeah.
Yeah.
See a whole heap of rafting go on the river. It's a big business. Be a Chinese, even if a Chinese or Japanese, whatever. You don't get none of them in here, you can't understand their language, you know. Here's one more coming down. And there's one more up, way upstream up there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share. Let's go. My thing. Let's go now.